How do you reconcile the duality of being a Christian warrior, the balance of loving God with your whole heart, mind, and strength, and yet prepare for war in the removal of threats to human life?
The Bible is real clear on this. Ecclesiastes 3, there's a time to kill, time to heal. The Bible says do not murder, and this is a bad translation where we take the 10 commandments and we take one of those commandments, thou shalt not kill. It's actually thou shalt not murder. God is commanding people to kill in the Bible. The Israelites who are taken out of Egypt and